The Great Filter, the terrifying theory about why we haven't found alien life. The Fermi Paradox starts with a simple observation. The universe is vast and old. There are approximately 2 trillion galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, with a significant proportion of those stars having planets. Given the age of the universe, 8 billion years, and the fact that life on Earth began within about 1 billion years of the planet forming, there has been ample time for life to have evolved on other worlds, and for intelligent species to have developed spacefaring technology. So where are they? Why, in all the vastness of the universe, is there no signal, no artifact, no evidence of anyone else? Economist Robin Hanson proposed the Great Filter in 1998 as a framework for thinking about the Fermi Paradox. The idea is simple. Somewhere in the sequence from non-living chemistry to galaxy-colonizing civilization, there is at least one step that almost no lineage of matter completes. This step, the filter, is what keeps the universe quiet. Most planets never make it through. Some possible filters include the origin of life from chemistry, the development of complex multicellular life, the evolution of intelligence, the development of technology, the survival of a technological species past its self-destructive phase. The crucial question is whether the Great Filter is behind us or ahead of us. If the filter is behind us, something that occurred early in Earth's history, like the origin of life, the development of the eukaryotic cell, or the Cambrian explosion of complex multicellular life, then we have already passed through it, and our survival to this point means we are extraordinarily rare but not doomed. If the filter is ahead of us, if the step that almost no civilization completes is one we have not yet reached, then we should expect our civilization to eventually fail, like almost all others. The most hopeful scenario is that the filter is the origin of life itself, that the step from non-living chemistry to self-replicating organic molecules is extraordinarily improbable, rare enough that we might be among the first complex life forms in the observable universe. Under this scenario, there are no other civilizations because almost no planet ever manages to generate life in the first place. We are alone not because others have failed, but because others have never begun. This is terrifying in its loneliness, but benign in its implications for our future. The most frightening scenario is that life is common, that the universe is full of planets that have generated life and even intelligent, technological species, and that these species reliably destroy themselves before leaving their solar systems. Under this scenario, the filter is a self-destruction event that overtakes every civilization at roughly our level of technological development. Nuclear war, engineered pathogens, artificial intelligence, ecological collapse, or some other mode of self-destruction that we haven't yet invented or encountered. Every other civilization died here. We are approaching that point. The discovery of life elsewhere in the universe would therefore be either wonderful or terrifying, depending on its complexity. Finding simple microbial life on Mars or under the ice of Europa would suggest that life begins easily, which would shift the filter further along the sequence and place it more likely ahead of us. Finding complex multicellular life elsewhere would be more alarming. Finding evidence of extinct intelligent civilizations would be the most alarming finding in human history. It would suggest that civilizations reliably reach our level and then end. The Great Filter framework has been criticized on several grounds. The universe may be larger and older than our models suggest, and we may simply be too limited in our ability to detect signals to have found others yet. The nature of interstellar colonization may be more constrained than assumed. The speed of light limits travel in ways that might keep civilizations local. There may be practical reasons why no civilization has colonized the galaxy, even if they have the technology. The silence of the universe does not necessarily imply a filter. It may imply factors we haven't modeled correctly. We are one civilization, on one planet, in one galaxy, in a universe of billions of galaxies. We have not destroyed ourselves yet. We do not know if we are exceptional or typical. We do not know whether the filter that keeps the universe quiet is behind us or ahead of us. The Great Filter is the question underneath every other question about our future. Will we be among the rare few who make it through? Or will we be the most capable thing to have lived on Earth and still fail to be more than a brief signal in the silence? The answer is not written anywhere we can read it yet.